Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are in, well, actually tonight,
Yes.
we are in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and we are where?
At the Crystal Bridges Art Museum, we're doing the Northern Lights.
Yep, so come with us. So right as you enter the location of the Northern Lights, there's this massive globe that's all lit up and made out of laser lights, and it really shines the area around you. And what makes it even better is these chairs that sit down below it that help you lean back and look up into the night sky with the globe in your view. We are now making our way into the area with Northern Lights. It is a bit of a lengthy walk, so we'll see you once we get inside. Alright, so we made it inside. And as you can hear and see-ish, I know it's dark for obvious reasons, but you can hear the music and there's fog machines. It's actually rather beautiful, honestly. Anyway, this is the first section that you guys come to. It's really pretty. Alright, so this is the next section you come to. As you can see, it's a little different. We've got light poles changing colors and going with the music. This is neat. This is one of our friend Megan's, one of her favorite spots in this thing. Really beautiful. Alright, so we found out music changes.
It's like different shows.
So we found out that in that tree that just lit up right over there, you can sing into a microphone and it'll give you your group's singing color. And of course, there is a massive line waiting for it. And as you can see, there are other locations with a concession stand over there, so that's where we'll go after that tree. Oh, those people are blue. Huh. Okay, so we're walking up here to sing our song and see what our song is, or what our voice is.
Going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou.
Ooh, so we got gold. Okay, so we stepped out of the tree and we are at their village. There's Ash walking into the camera. It's alright. But it looks like they've got a couple things that, like concession stands, little food truck type things that you can get something to eat out of, and they've got a little store with t-shirts and handbags and merchandise. So
It's really cool.
it's really a neat place, honestly. And then they have this really cool white tree down here that Ash has been dying to go see. So maybe we can sneak off over here and get a look at it. Alright, so we made it down here to this tree, and this thing is pretty. It looks like glass.
Blown glass.
It does look like blown glass. That's really neat. So, probably the coolest tree I've ever seen.
Igloos.
They also have some igloos for an experience that you can purchase extra. We didn't do that. this time around. Maybe next time, but it is rather expensive. But you can see there's several different igloos laid out around this tree. Alright, so we made it back here to the hearth, or heart, and it beats like a heart, so it's blue right now, but I guess it changes color. So we're coming up on one of the final shows of the night, and it's supposed to make it look like a river at the bottom. I'm told that this is rather beautiful, and I really like the Hearthstone thing, but if this can one-up it, let's find out. So you can see all the lights down here, and that's where it's located. So sit back and watch this. Hey guys, so that was the Northern Forest Lights. What'd you think, Ash?
I liked it. I thought it was pretty cool. I like the music that's incorporated with all the lights.
I did too. And speaking of that, what I really liked about the music was like when you were in a spot, you didn't hear it from another place. You know, it all stayed centralized right there and everything. So we really enjoyed that. Saw some cool artwork, and the lights were neat, and all the laser stuff was cool, as you guys saw. We highly recommend coming.
Yeah, we definitely want to come here and see the actual museum during the daytime. I think it would be a great thing to come see when you don't have anything planned.
Absolutely. So highly recommended. Come see the museum as well. Thank you. So with that being said,
Bring on the next adventure!
Bye guys.